In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to underline a word in Microsoft Word using the free online version. Whether you're working on a document for professional purposes, school assignments, or personal projects, underlining certain words or phrases can help emphasize them and make your text more readable. So let's dive in and make sure you can accomplish this straightforward task with ease. First, head over to your preferred web browser and navigate to the free Microsoft 365 online website. It's an excellent resource if you don't have the desktop version installed, as it gives you access to essential Microsoft Office tools, including Word, for free. Once you're there, look for the Sign In option, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. You'll need to log in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, it's simple to set up and free. Just follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. After signing in, you'll find yourself on the homepage of Microsoft 365. Here, look for the Word application icon, which is typically represented by a blue W. Clicking on this will open up Microsoft Word Online. It's a user-friendly interface that's quite similar to the desktop version, and it allows you to edit documents stored in OneDrive or create new ones. Next, go ahead and create a new document or open an existing one from your library. If you're starting fresh, just click on New Blank Document. Otherwise, navigate through your recent files and select the document you wish to edit. Now, once your document is open, scroll through the text and select the word or segment you want to underline. Simply click and drag your cursor over the text. This action will highlight the section, making it ready for formatting changes. With the text selected, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of your screen. Look for the U icon, which represents the underline function. This icon might be nestled among other formatting options like bold or italics. Once you've located it, click on it to apply the underline effect to your selected text. Instantly, you'll notice your chosen word or words are now highlighted with an underline. There you have it, a simple yet effective way to underline text in Microsoft Word Online. Remember, this tool is part of a suite of formatting options designed to make your document more polished and visually appealing. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with other features available in Word Online to further enhance your document. And that wraps up our quick tutorial. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helped you learn something new. Keep exploring these tools to maximize your productivity with Microsoft 365 Online. Until next time, happy typing,